Hi guys, in this video we'll see how to extract a column from a data frame. So let's start importing a libraries first. Then we'll go and read the data, which is cars data using CSV because the format is in CSV. And basically pandas data frame comprises of two things, nothing but rows and columns. So this each blue color is called row, in a case black and gray, sorry, white and gray, or this blue is a row, and vertical is a column, and we have a first one which is unnamed. These are not named, which are nothing but the indices you can say, for each row. So we have 81 total rows because it starts with 0 and till 80 is total 81, and we have 5 columns horsepower to WT, and we'll see how to extract a column. So there are many approaches, and we'll start with notation first. So let's say I want to do MPG, then so shift enter, you can see out of MPG you have 53.7, 50.01, same thing goes here, and you can see the name as MPG, saying that this data is of MPG, and length is 81 because for each column we have 81 data rows observations, you can see. So 0 is 53, 1 is 50, and so on to 80 is 12.101, same here. And this data is of type float because we have decimal points. This is approach one. We have other approach which is nothing but data.mpg. Here data.mpg is one way. Second approach is we can use square bracket notation. This is a pandas way of doing, and remember this is not a data array. This is not an array. When it comes to panda data frame, for square bracket you can say it's like a filtering technique. So this is how we have notation. For square brackets is not an array. We'll see that in future videos. So I want MPG only in this case. Let's say MPG and shift enter. As you can see, the data is same, but these are two different approaches, and there is an issue with approach one because I'll show you now. So data dot, let's say I want to extract horsepower column, which is nothing but this. If you can see, there is a space in between horse and power. So if I do horse space power, which is a column name, and try to do shift enter, execute the cell, it is showing invalid syntax because pandas data frame thinks that it should be continuous, meaning it is thinking the column name is still here and this is something else, but that's where the issue comes. So if I do this, it won't work, but there is other approach, right? The approach 2. So if I do that with the string quotations and horsepower, so what it does is shift enter, it is showing, it is extracting everything which is in these quotations. In our case it's a horse space power, so even though we have a space, it works in this case because of the notations quotations. So horsepower name, length int 64 because in this case horsepower is a integer, whereas MPG was float, that's why we have the data type as float. And yeah, there's a space. Like I said, approach 1 won't work, so suggestion is always stick to the approach 2 in all the time, because this will help you. And like, we don't know which column has this notation. Of course we can see here and do that, but if you make this as a best practice, it will help you a lot and save you a lot of time with the errors in future. And thanks for the video.